Android-based QR parking booking. This project finding a parking space in commercial areas that unnecessarily consume time. Hence, this project offers a web-based reservation system where user can view various parking areas and select the space to view whether the space is available or not. The existing system drawbacks are less availability of parking spaces, clogging roads, overcharging for parking. Our proposed method advantages. If the car parked is deducted, then the user will not be able to book that particular slot. And it's user-friendly. QR code is scanned, the user has to check the phone number and vehicle number for verification. Once the required information is entered, the available slots get visible. The modules are User Module, Administrator Module, Booking Module, Client Side, Registration, Login Payment and Logout. Some screenshots from our project. This application automates the existing manual system. It can be monitored and controlled remotely, and information can be accessed anywhere at any time.